guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. It is your girl Pikachu coming at you from the kitchen. So today I'm going to be showing you how to cook potatoes. You just get them pre-sliced, you put them in a pan, and you play some nice music, and you just stir them. Ow! You take some pepper. Like this. You take some pepper with the S on it. You take the pepper with the S on it, and you put it on the potatoes, just like, and then you take some and you push it behind your back. And that is how you use pepper. Now the P one is for the salt. Ah! Oh Jesus! Oh, that was close. Here. The one with the P is used for salt. You take it and you sprinkle it all over the potatoes, because that is what it's used for. I don't know what else to talk about potato-wise, except for they're yummy. They're spirit animal food. They're fuel for your spirit animal inside you. I don't know what else to talk about, so stay you, stay true, stay beautiful. Pikachu out. Bye, guys.